三二一。
Hello guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel Beauty and the Peace. And if you are new here and you don't know me, then hi, I'm Shreyashree. Thank you guys for landing on my channel. Today's video is about my favorites in the month of March. So let's get started. So first, today we will start with some nail polishes, and these nail polishes are from Faces Canada, and this is the Splash range, and I got 5 of them. So the first one is Shanghai Shimmer. It's 23 and it's just a lovely color. The second one is Parsi or Purse, I don't know, I think Parsi, and it's in the shade of 31. Then the third one is Nautical Girl and in the shade of 53. This one is lovely. You can see that I am wearing right now. So the next one is Sunny Side Up and in the shade of 51. And then it's Nutty and the shade of 32. So I got all these 5 nail polishes. I think there are so many colors. If you want to buy some good nail polishes, then you can go for Faces Canada. I think it cost 109 rupees. Or if you will buy it from Nykaa, then definitely you will get some discounts on it. So now come to face mask, and this is from Good Vibes and it's activated charcoal plus aloe vera, and it's for pore balancing plus oil control face mask. So you can see how much I have already used it. So you have to take it and you have to apply it on your affected area. If you have active pimple on your face, just apply it on that particular area if you have dry skin, and if you have oily skin, then definitely you can apply it all over your face. So I love this product, so I was thinking I will make a video on face mask which is affordable and effective. If you want to watch that video, then please let me know in the comment section. I will make a video on that topic. So yeah. So the next product is Dandruff Moisturizing Under Eye Serum with Sodium Hyaluronic. So guys, nowadays people are so much hype about hyaluronic acid, so you will get the same thing on this product, and this is under eye serum. If you have puffy eyes or dark circles, and if you have to work in front of the screen for so many hours in a day, then definitely you should buy this, because it will give you so much soothing and relaxing effect. So have it and must have in summer. So the next product is from Kama Ayurveda, and it's pure lavender water. Guys, actually lavender helps to reduce your stress and calm you down. So I think this is perfect or must have for summers. If you are looking for something that which can relax you instantly in this summer, then you can definitely have this one. So you can see that how much pure this one is. So please have it. Now I will talk about this one. This is Organic India Tulsi Green Tea Classical. Guys, I just love this product. This is a new dabba because I have already done with 2 of them. So you will get this much amount, okay? Will get this 100 gram of product at the cost of 230. So the benefits of this product is support the immune system, helps fight illness, cough and cold, powerful adaptogen, uplifts mood, which I really need, reduces stress, which I also need, builds stamina, improve digestion and metabolism, abundant in antioxidant. So you can see how many good things are in this product. So I just love this product, and I'm using this product, I think not in this March. I'm using this product since 2019. So I just love this product. So I thought, why not I share this product to you. If you love to drink tea, then definitely grab it, because it will help you and you will get addicted on this product. The last product in this video is this chappal. So you can see how much lovely and cute this chappal is. So it has a very simple type of sole, and you can see there is a golden kind of border in the heels. Basically it's a slipper or chappal kind of thing, and in the back side it's plastic material, and I'm in the size of 3, but I think in UA size it is 36. Okay, so I got this for my marriage purpose, but I think this goes with spring and summertime perfectly, because this chappal, oh my god, I love to wear chappal in summertime, and this is very colorful. So if you are wearing in simple kurta or plain kurta, you can pair up this chappal, this kind of chappals with that simple kurta. So I just love this color. Actually I forgot the price, but I bought it from Sri Leathers. If you are in Kolkata, then you definitely know where Sri Leathers is. And the last thing, okay, so the last favorite of this month is, wait, I have OCD issues. चप्पल पकड़ लिया, अब हाथ ना पोछूं तो thing. The last favorite thing in the month of March is a movie, which is a Chinese animation movie, and it called Niza. So if you guys are interested to see animation movie, then definitely you can check it out. This movie, you will get it I think in YouTube. So the basically movie is about God peel and a demon peel. So it's basically positivity and negativity. So from this we can predict easily the person who will get the demon peel will be demonic, and who will get the God peel will be very nice. But no, the movie will teach you that the boy who actually got the demon peel, his parents taught him so well and trained him so well that he believed in himself that he is a good warrior and he will be a protector for villagers. And the person who got the God peel, he actually trained in a wrong way, so he became a spoiler. So I think you can understand what I'm trying to say. So from this movie you will teach that if you believe in yourself. So from this movie you will get a lesson that if you will believe in yourself, if you will be positive, and if you will surround with positive and good people, then your life will be good and you will be a good human being. So on this note I will end up this video. So stay positive, be happy, love everyone, spread love yourself also. So if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel because it's free. And I have another vlogging channel which is in Bengali, and this called Much More and Seriously. If you like those videos also, then don't forget to give thumbs up on those videos, and don't forget to subscribe that channel also. So love you guys, take care, bye bye.